Stop letting local Law 97 fines eat your profits. Here's a countdown of the 7 upgrades to slash emissions, curb fines, and supercharge your building under NYC Local Law 97. Number 7. Swap to LED lighting. Old bulbs are energy hogs. Incandescent and fluorescent lights burn up to 80% more power. Swap to LEDs for instant savings and a quick carbon cut. Number 6. Deploy sub-metering and monitoring. What you can't measure, you can't fix. Hidden consumption spikes go unnoticed until fines arrive. Install sub-meters and real-time dashboards to spot and stop energy drips immediately. Number 5. Install smart controls and automation. Manual controls waste energy. Lights and HVAC often run full blast in empty spaces. Add occupancy sensors and smart schedules so systems only run when and where you need them. Number 4. Add renewable energy. The grid's carbon shows up on your report. Every kilowatt you draw is part of your LL97 tally. Mount solar panels or tap community solar to offset your footprint with clean, free power. Number 3. Seal and insulate the envelope. Drafts force your system to overwork. Leaky windows and gaps drive up HVAC runtime and emissions. Caulk, insulate, and fit double-pane windows so your building holds heat and savings all year. Number 2. Modernize your HVAC system. Your old HVAC might be your biggest energy drain. Outdated units spike power use every time they kick on. Upgrade to high-efficiency systems or variable speed drives for smoother, lower-emission climate control. Number 1. Upgrade boilers and heat pumps. This is your single biggest carbon cut. Old boilers and aging heat pumps burn extra fuel and rack up CO2. Swap in condensing boilers or cold climate heat pumps. You'll slash your heating emissions and see the biggest return on your compliance investment. By tackling these upgrades in order, you'll drive down emissions fast, dodge hefty LL97 fines, and lock in long-term energy savings.